Hello friends, how are you? I have come again with a new video about the parenting series, and today I will discuss about the feeding process of your child. You know that this is a series video initiated by me, Tariqul Islam, about the parenting process, and in this series I am trying to give some idea about the recent inventions and findings on medical science and psychological science about parenting, because you know that parenting is a changing science. It changes day by day with the change of technology, social structure, psychology and others. So we should be aware about the recent findings and researches about these studies. Otherwise we will not be able to take care of our childs in proper way. That's why I have initiated this video series. If you follow this video, you will find some recent research and findings about parenting issue, and if you follow this, I hope it will be better for both you and your child. So please, you may, if you think it is useful for me, subscribe my channel and follow my daily vlogs. Today I am discussing about the feeding process of the childs, how you should feed them and when you shouldn't. You know that one of the major concern that people, especially the mothers, are being tensed about their child, that is feeding process. Most of the parents are complaining to their doctor and psychologist that their childs are not like to eat, and they are not getting proper food. Why this concern? Why these people are being so tensed? Actual scenario is, I think, something different, because when you different research expose that when you push them, when you try to pressurize them to feed, to take food, then it has a negative impact. They don't want this. So use some different techniques when you want to feed your baby. It depends on the age of your baby. Like if he is so below 1 year that he can't speak and he don't understand your language, on that time if you want to feed him, at first look for his demand, either he is hungry or not. If you think that he is hungry, then you try to feed them with some sounds. This sound should not be artificial. You try to speak with them, or you try to sing a song, or tell a story to them. Either they can understand it or not, because the child, when they don't even understand any word, they follow you. What are you saying? How are you saying? And it is capturing by their camera, that means their brain, and they are taking it and analyzing it, and it is giving them some instruction that they also should react in same way, and it is helping in their social and family behavior. So try to speak with them a lot, and whenever you will find them they are getting attention to you, then I think your purpose will be fulfilled. If you think that they are not giving you proper attention, then use some other things, like taking on the lap the baby. You may walk sometimes, or you may go to the window and watch them the outer scenario, or you may go to the balcony or at the roof and walk. Sometimes they will find a lot of things on the surroundings, like a bird is singing, like a bird is flying, or if there is a tree, or there is sky, some cloud. They will watch it, and it will help them to be conscious about the other things, and they will feed easily, they will take their food easily. And if they don't do this, then you can observe, you should observe their outgoing discharging liquids. And when you will find that there are proper discharging amount of water is proper, then you will be relaxed that he is getting proper amount of food. So don't be panicked and try your own way. And if you find that the baby actually not getting enough food and don't trying to get, then consult a doctor or psychologist, and if they suggest you to take some artificial food, only then you should buy some baby food. Otherwise you should avoid this type of foods. And when they will grow up on the ages as they can speak and they can understand what are you saying, on that time you should give some attention to them and also draw some attention from them. How can you do this? You can do this by asking some, telling some stories and reciting some rhymes, even acting like different characters of the story or the cartoons. And when you will do this, they will think you as a playing partner, and they will give you proper attention, and they will respond. And by this way you will mixed with them and it will be easy to feed them. If I think you follow these rules, it will be beneficial and your problems will be minimized. And when they are tends to go to school, on that time make them easy to take their food by their own. If you give them, it will be helpful for them and they will take their food. And sometimes that when they will become hungry, they easily by self will ask you for giving some food. So I'll finish the video today.